Okay, so I just want to do a run through on linear relationships. So the first thing that you just need to be able to do is you need to be able to plot a point. So say I have 2, 3. Let's go B, which is -4, -2, and C, which is 0, -4. Okay, so 2, 3, when you plot a point, it's in the form of x, y. So whatever the first number is, that's what you go across. So x for across, and then the second value is what you go up or down. So you always crawl before you stand up. So crawl along the ground here. So we go across to 2, and then you stand up, so you go to 3. That's A. Alright, so -4, go to the left 4, and then you go down to -2. So that's B. And then go across 0 down to -4. That's C. Okay, so the first one's what you go across, and the other one's what you stand up. Okay, so now I just want to look at distance. So if you have a number plane, and you want to get the distance between 2 points, so I have 1 point there, there's A, B, that's -4 and 3, and let's say it goes through 3. So if you count the distance, 3, 4, there should be 4 on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 would be a distance of 7. Okay, now I'll just quickly review Pythagoras, because you do need Pythagoras in order to do the distance on a number plane. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared equals 2 squared plus 5 squared. C squared equals 4 plus 25, 29. So the square root of 29, and you just put that in your calculator and figure that out. Okay. So if we have a point, say 4, 2, and another point -2, -3. So if we want to get the distance between those 2 points, we plot the first point, that's A. Plot the second point, that's B. Okay, next thing you need to do is you join a line between them, and then you draw your right angle triangle in. Now, you're going to use Pythagoras to get the distance between them, so you need to get the length of each side. So you're talking about the spaces. So there's 2 there, plus 3 there, so altogether that distance will be 5. If you come along this one, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that would be 6. So that distance is 6, so that means x squared is 6 squared plus 5 squared. X squared is 36 and 25. X squared is 50, 61. So the square root of 61 will be the distance between those 2 points.